So, my fucking replacement ARP fucking bolt showed up. I figured because my fucking torque wrench was out, I thought, fuck it. Like, no point in just replacing one. The torque wrench was out, we might as well replace them all. I didn't spend this much money on fucking pistons and rods just to have a fucking bolt let go on me 500 k's up the fucking road, you know. So, figure, fuck it, let's just fucking replace them all. We're just going to put some ARP's fucking assembly lube on there and fucking, yeah, we'll nip them up to 50 and then we'll loosen it, nip them up to 50 again, then loosen it and then do 55. That's 50. Let me just back them off a little bit. I can do it one-handed. Fuck. Yeah. Back an engine stand moving. Sweet. You do them back up to 50. 50. 50. There's our 55. 55. This one. 55. 55. Now I'm just going to go through and I'm just going to double check them all, make sure every single one is at 55 pound. Now, yep. So now I'm just going to go ahead, pull these main caps out, put the girdle back on, then I'll torque the girdle down. We're just torquing this down to 30 pound, or 30 newton meters I should say, and then we'll do them all to 30, starting in here, then here, then here, then here, you know, work your way out, and yeah, and then eventually we'll do them up to 85. We just go on the 85 now. Then once I've torqued them all down to 85, I'll throw a breaker bar on the end of the fucking crank here and just make sure it still all spins fucking freely and shit. So, all still spins pretty good. So now we're just going to take the oil pump. I've had Barra Mod's billet pump gears and backing plate put on this, but yeah, now we're just going to bolt it back onto the engine now that I've got all the bottom end all torqued up, and yeah. It's in there, we'll bolt her on. And yeah, we only want to tighten these bad boys to 10 newton meters. So not real fucking tight at all. That's him. Pretty fucking easy. Yeah, I think that's us for the fucking day. We got our oil pump back on, we got our rods all fucking torqued to spec, we got the girdle in, it's all fucking torqued to spec. So yeah, I think that's us for the day. Just couldn't quite leave it at that, had to fucking put my oil pump, fucking oil pickup back on. But yeah, that'll do me for the night. I'm going to have a fucking shower.